Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add glowing highlights effect to any object in just a few simple steps inside Premiere Pro. So let's get started. Alright, as you can see on the timeline, I have got a transparent logo. You can use any objects that you like. In the next step, let's right-click on the logo layer, and then click on Nest. Now we can call this glowing. After that, click on OK. Now we are done. The main reason for nesting the object layer is to allow for easy modifications in the future if necessary. Now we have to duplicate the object layer one time. You can do this by holding the Alt key on the keyboard, and then left-click and drag the layer one track up. We need a total of 2 copies. Now I'm going to leave the top layer as it is. And then let's move over to the Effects panel to apply an effect. This is a Gaussian blur effect. Let's drag and drop the Gaussian blur effect to the bottom layer in the timeline. Next, go over to the Effect Controls panel to customize the Gaussian blur effect. From the Gaussian blur effect, we have to increase blurriness until it looks the way that we want. In my case, I'm going to make the blurriness value around 800. Now you can see on the program monitor, a wider glow has been added around the object. Also, we can change the glowing color by using an effect. This is a tint effect. Let's drag and drop the tint effect to the bottom layer in the timeline. Now you can see the glowing has been changed around the object. Let's move over to the Effect Controls panel to set our custom color. From the tint effect, we have to change the map white color and the map back color. Make sure the map white color and the map back color are the same. Now you can see the changes on the program monitor. It's a nice glowing highlights effect that you could use on your objects or logos. In this way, you can add glowing highlights to any object in just a few simple steps inside Premiere Pro.